Making YouTube Shorts go viral can be a challenging task, but here are some tips to increase the chances of your shorts gaining popularity. 1. Create engaging content. Make sure your shorts are visually appealing, entertaining, and relevant to your target audience. Capture viewers' attention in the first few seconds to keep them engaged throughout. 2. Keep it short and sweet. YouTube Shorts are meant to be brief, so aim for a video length of 60 seconds or less. Short, snappy content is more likely to be watched and shared. 3. Use trending topics and hashtags. Keep an eye on trending topics and use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your shorts. This can help your content reach a wider audience. 4. Promote on other platforms. Share your YouTube Shorts on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to drive traffic to your video and increase its chances of going viral. 5. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers or creators can help expose your content to a new audience and increase the chances of your shorts gaining traction. 6. Optimize for YouTube algorithm. Use relevant keywords, titles, and descriptions to optimize your shorts for searchability on YouTube. This can help your content get discovered by more viewers. 7. Encourage engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your shorts. Engagement metrics play a significant role in determining the reach and virality of your content on YouTube. Remember, going viral is never guaranteed, but by following these tips and consistently creating high-quality, engaging content, you can increase your chances of success on YouTube Shorts.